vlogs. Alright people, we've got another one. I hope you're doing well out there, by the way.
Alright guys, welcome to another episode of the weekly tech vlogs. Okay. Mate 10 Pro of Huawei have been getting a lot of buzz this week, so I was like, you know what, let me check this out and see what it is about. So we're gonna check it out together. So yeah, let's check it out. We're gonna go, I'm gonna go straight for the specifications and so on and so forth. Okay, so let's get down to business, guys. Let's get down to business. Fingerprint sensors. Let me just check something out first, right? Let's talk about this. The operating system is Android Oreo 8.0, 20 megapixel, which is pretty big. Gonna be able to take some serious pictures with that and some serious video. I hope the quality gonna be up to scratch. Display 6 inch. Storage is 128 gigabytes, which is pretty big. I'm not fully sure if you can double that up or not, but the design is pretty straightforward, as you can see on the picture. If you want more details about it, just double check down the net. I'm just showing you what it is about right about now. Okay, so now let's talk about the nitty-gritty. Special features. It has a fingerprint scanner. Okay, the dimension of the phone is as written. Okay, it's pretty. I'll say it's a big phone. It's a big phone, alright. It's a big phone. It's not a small phone. The weight is 178 gram. Alright, it's not too heavy. Your SIM type is nano. Okay. The speakers, speakerphone, and so on and so forth. You get the rest. It's all ticked there. The operating system is Android. At least they got an 8.0, which should be dope with a new handset. App Store, whatever. Play the charging type, USB Type C. I'm sure this is also you'll be able to charge it wirelessly. The battery is a lot of people are making a lot of noise about it. It's 4,000 mAh. Okay, apparently you can go all the way for at least 2 days usage without charging your phone. That's something that really and truly each individual you're gonna have to put to the test. I think that's more of a hype than anything else. Yeah. Alright, that's my opinion. 2 days usage, like heavy duty, as they said. I think that's far-fetched, but let's keep on moving. Connectivity, NFC, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS, 3G, other connectivity. You got, your GPS and so on and so forth. You can check that out. Wi-Fi and hotspot and tethering. That's cool. 4G. That gonna allow this one to do some download, some fast downloading and so on and so forth. Mobile internet connection. Better have it. camera, video recording, rear. Listen to this. The rear camera video quality is 2160 per frame, and that's a 4K straight away. Okay, out of the box without any tweaking or whatever. Okay, so front camera megapixels are 8 megapixel, which is pretty big. Flash type, dual tone LED. All right, got 2 LED flashes at the back of the phone. The rear camera megapixel is 20 megapixel. That's pretty. As I said, that's pretty big. That is also big. So if you're all about, you know, videoing with your phone, taking pictures, you're gonna be well served with this. I hope the quality gonna be up to scratch. I already say that. Music on Entertainmentz, you got apps. They have their own music player in there. No radio, unfortunately. The processor goes as it's an octa. The processor name is Lichon Keyring. They're making a lot of noise about that as well. It's not a Snapdragon, so you just gotta bear that in mind. But you know, their one should be able to compete with whatsoever we have got on the market. Okay, so the maximum processor speed is 2.4 gigahertz. If that, you know, is any useful to you. Call speed, we already went over there. The RAM is something else that I want to touch on. 6 gigabytes is a serious number for a mobile phone RAM. Because check, I don't know if you have checked your laptop lately. Check the RAM, your laptop RAM, and you're gonna know what I mean. Like 6 gigabytes for a phone is pretty dope, believe me. Okay. Display, full HD. The pixel density is 402 ppi. Okay, that's the density, so that should be pretty crisp. And another thing is, I've heard that I have the AMOLED screen technology, which is what Samsung always have been using. So we should have some clear pictures there. Screen resolution is 1080p times 2160 pixel. That's 4K. All right, that 2160 is a 4K resolution. All right, so plus with your AMOLED, you're gonna excuse the light that's going off here and there. Yeah, plus the AMOLED, you're gonna be having some crisp, some pretty decent pictures. The black will be black, and so on and so forth. Yeah, large screen. It's a big phone, as I already said. Screen technology, AMOLED, the touch screen better be in 2018. The screen size is 6-inch, which is pretty big. Okay. Yeah. Look, I'm gonna see if we can put our hands on this phone in the real life and put it to a test. But that was the, you know, the quick overview on specifications of Mate 10 Pro. This sounds very promising. All right, sounds very promising, and yeah, it is what it is. Check that out. Let us know if you have one or if you're about to get it, and tell us how you went for you. Other than that, ladies and gents, boys and girls. Thanks for watching, and we shall surely see you on the next one. Keep it late, keep it safe, and keep on coming for more. Peace out. Let's do it and do it. Bang, 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 bang.